last class you have solved some problems of addition or estimation. In today's class also we will solve some more problems of subtraction, multiplication and division by estimating. So first main already we have solved in exercise 1.13. See the second main, estimate the following. Second main, in that first example, that is 85,415 minus 7,143. This is a number. Yes. So, estimation, it is as usual. Whether it is addition, subtraction, multiplication or division. In that estimating method, it will not change. So, here 85,450 we need to estimate, and here 7,143 we need to estimate. So here also same, in the subtraction also same. See which is the smallest number, or which number is having the smallest place value. Which is the smallest number? That is 7,143. Okay. It is having the smallest place value, that is thousands place. Okay, here 10,000 place. So both the number we need to round off nearest to 1000. In addition and subtraction, we have to round off the number to its smallest place value. Okay, in addition and subtraction, we have to see which is the smallest value, and for the smallest place value, both the number we have to estimate. So here 1s, 10s, 100,000. So round off this number, we can round off this number nearest to 1000. So this number also we have to round off nearest to 1000. Though there is a 10,000 place, we have to round off this number nearest to thousands place. So round off nearest to 1000 means we have to see the hundreds place, right? What is there in hundreds place? There is a 4. It is less than 5. We have to see for less than 5 and more than 5. Here 4 is there, which is less than 5. The number which we see, if that is less than 5, we don't need to add anything to the thousands place. Keep the thousands place and 10,000 place as it is. So it will be 8 and 5. Then make the other 3 digits 0. 1. So it is 85,000. Therefore, the number 85,415 is rounded down to 85,000. Rounded down means it has become less. Okay? I hope you have understood. Next, this number also we have to round off nearest to 1000. Round off nearest to 1000 means see the hundreds place. In a hundreds place, what is there? 1 is there. It is less than 5. Whether we need to add anything to the thousands place? No. Less than 5? No need to add. Okay? So, keep the thousands place as it is. And here also write below the thousands place. Exactly below the thousands place only you should write. Leave the 10,000s place. So, keep the thousands place as it is and make the other 3 digits 0. Yes. This number also 7,143 also when we estimate it, or when we round off this number, it is rounded down to 7,000, right? See, rounded down means it has become less. Okay? So 7,143 is rounded down to 7,000. Now we have estimated. Next what we have to do is we have to subtract. So subtraction symbol you put, then subtract. Now it is easy to subtract. Okay. 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. Here again 0 minus 0, 0. 5 minus 7, is it possible? No. So we have to borrow from 8. 8 becomes 7. 5 becomes what? 15. 15 minus 7. How much it is? 8. Okay. 15 minus 7, 8. And 7 as it is, we have to write. Okay. So, put the comma according to Indian place value system. Ones, tens, hundred after comma. So, it is 78,000. The answer is 78,000. Yes, I hope you have understood. Let us move to the next example, that is 4,539 minus 196. Okay, this is the given number. Here also, write the number 4,539 196. Here also same rule. In the subtraction, we have to see which is the smallest number. Okay, or which number is having the smallest place value. Actually, which number is having the smallest place value we have to see. Okay, ones, tens, hundreds place is less. No, ones, tens, hundred. Hundreds place is less. Compared to this here, thousands place is there. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand. So thousands place, ones, tens, hundred, hundreds place. Hundreds place is less. So both the number we have to round off nearest to 100. Okay? Both the number we have to round off nearest to 100. So here round off nearest to 100. Round off nearest to 100 means we have to see the tens place. Okay? One place less we have to see. That's it. Okay, round off nearest to 100 means we need to see tens place. See the tens place. What is there in tens place? There is 3. 3 is less than 5 or more than 5? It is less than 5. So we will not add anything to the thousands place. We will not add anything to the thousands place and hundreds place. Okay, we will not add anything to the hundreds place. Keep the hundreds place as it is and keep the thousands place also as it is. Okay, so 4, 5 and make the other two digits 0. Okay. Okay. Round off nearest to 100. 100 means see the tens place. Tens place is less than 5. So don't add anything to the hundreds place. Keep the hundreds place as it is and make the other digits 0. Thousands place also you must keep as it is. Okay. Next. This number also we have to round off nearest to 100. Round off nearest to 100 means see the tens place. What is there in tens place? 9. Is it less than 5 or more than 5? 9 is more than 5. 5 and more than 5, we have to add 1 to the hundreds place. 5 and more than 5, that is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. When it is there, you have to add 1 to the hundreds place. Now 1 plus 1 will become 2 and it is there in hundreds place. So here also write exactly below the hundreds place. Okay. So 1's, 10's, 100. 1 plus 1, 2 and make the other two digits 0. So 196 is rounded up to 200. Rounded up to 200. It has become more. When you estimate 196, it has become more. When you have estimated 4539, it is rounded down to 4500. It has become less. Okay? Okay? Yes. Next is subtraction. That is 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0, 5 minus 2. How much? Is 3, then 4. So it is 4300. Okay. In addition and subtraction, we have to estimate the given number to the smallest place value. You have to see which number is having the smallest place value. Both the numbers you have to estimate to the smallest place value in addition and subtraction. Okay. So I hope you have understood. C problem, example C, you can solve, and I will solve the next problem. Okay, I will solve the next problem, that is multiplication. Okay, so second main D problem. See, you can only solve 433. You should multiply by 62. It is a multiplication. Yes, just now I said how you have to estimate in a addition and subtraction. Now I will say how to estimate in a multiplication. What is the difference? See, 433 and 62 we need to estimate. Here in a multiplication, no need to see the smallest place value. Okay? You no need to see the smallest place value. For example, number 433. For its maximum value, you have to round off. You have to estimate the number to its maximum place. It may be any number. For example, 433. Here 100 place is there. Round off nearest to 100. Okay? Here 62, ones, tens. Tens place is there. Round off nearest to tens. To its maximum place value, we need to estimate or we need to round off. Okay? So it is very easy. 433, ones, tens, hundreds place is there. Hundreds place is a maximum here. So round off nearest to 100. Round off nearest to 100 means see the tens place. Tens place is less than 5. So no need to add anything to the hundreds place. Keep the hundreds place as it is. That is 4, and make the other two digits 0. Okay. So the number 433 is rounded down to 400. It has become less. Then 62. What is the ones place and tens place is there. So maximum place is your tens. So we should consider that round off nearest to tens. Round off nearest to tens means see the ones place. Ones place is less than 5. What is there in a ones place? 2 is there. 2 is less than 5. So less than 5 means keep the tens place as it is. No need to add anything. Keep the tens place as it is. As it is there in tens place, you write in a tens place only. Okay? Below the tens place, ones tens. Below the tens place only you write and make the other digit 0. So 62 when we estimate, which will round it down to 60. It has become less. Okay. Next it is a multiplication. To the multiplication symbol. Then here you don't need to multiply and set in a long way. You can do the quick multiplication. Okay. You can multiply very quickly if you estimate the numbers. See here, 6 fours are 24, right? 6 fours are 24. Okay. Then how many zeros are there in both the numbers? 1, 2, 3. Right? Those many zeros we have to put. This is the answer. Okay. So when you estimate the number, you can multiply it very quickly. You can use the quick multiplication. Okay. Which numbers are there now? Only numbers you have to multiply. Then how many zeros are there in both the numbers? That many zeros we need to put. Okay. See, 6 fours are 24 or 4 6 are 24. First you multiply the number and keep. Then how many zeros are there? Count. 1, 2, 3. Together 3 zeros are there. That many zeros we need to put. So it is a 24,000. 24,000 is the answer. Okay, shall I move to the next problem? Yes. That is E. 2775 into 56. This is the problem. Yes. Same way, 2775 and 56. Yes. In a multiplication, we have to round off the number to its maximum place. That is ones, tens, hundred, thousand. Here the maximum place is 1000. So round off nearest to 1000. Round off nearest to 1000 means which place we have to see? One place less. Hundreds place we have to see. What is there in a hundreds place? 7. Less than 5 or more than 5? It is more than 5. 5 and more than 5 and 1 to the tens, thousands place. Now 2 plus 1, 3. 2 plus 1, 3. And make the other digits 0. Other 3 digits will make the other digits 0. Okay. Next here 56. Only ones and tens place is there. So in a multiplication and even in a division, round off the number to its maximum place. So round off nearest to tens. Round off nearest to tens means which place we have to see? One place less. Round off nearest to tens means we have to see the ones place. Before tens place, ones place no. Ones place we have to see. Ones place. It is less than 5 or more than 5. 5. It is more than 5. 6 is more than 5. More than 5 means add 1 to the tens place and make the other digit 0. Okay. 5 plus 1, 6. And where you will write in a below the tens place. Okay. Below the tens place. Then this digit will be 0. Okay, while writing this, you should be very careful. Suppose here ones and tens place, here also you should fill ones and tens place only. Somewhere around you should not write. Then multiply. Estimation is over. Here 2775 is also rounded up to 3000. 56 is also rounded up to 60. Okay, multiply. Here also use the quick multiplication. Okay, what are the numbers here? 6 and 3, right? 6 threes are how much? 6 threes are 18, right? 3 6 are how much? 18, right? 8. 6 threes are 18. Then how many zeros are there in count? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Put 4 zeros or write 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you have to write then put the comma. Ones, tens, hundred, comma, thousand, 10,000. So it is how much? 1,80,000. Okay. This is your estimated answer. I hope you have understood. Okay, in addition and subtraction, we are seeing the smallest place value and both the numbers we are rounding off to the smallest place value. But in a multiplication and division, to its maximum place, we are rounding off the numbers. I think you have understood. I hope even you have understood the quick multiplication. Only multiply the numbers first. Then how many zeros are in both the number that you have to write. Yes. Next problem. That is G1. F1 you can solve. It is same way. Okay. So it is G1. 726 divided by 24. So here it is a division. Here already I have said you 726 and 24. Already I have said you, right? Now multiplication and in a division, round off the number to its maximum place. What is the maximum place here? Ones, tens, 100. So round off 726 nearest to 100. Okay, round off nearest to 100. Here 24, ones, tens place is there. So here 24 you have to round off nearest to tens. Because ones, tens place is there. Okay. So here round off nearest to 100. Round off nearest to 100 means see one place less. Round off nearest to 100 means we have to see the tens place. What is there in tens place? 2, which is less than 5. If the number is less than 5, no need to add anything to the hundreds place. Keep the hundreds place as it is and make the other two digits 0. Okay? 7, 0, 0. Okay? Next, 24, ones and tens place. Here the maximum place value is tens. Round off nearest to tens. Round off nearest to tens means see the ones place. See the ones place. So, what is there in ones place? It is 4, less than 5. So no need to add anything to the tens place. Keep the tens place as it is and make the ones place 0. So it is what it will be? It will be 20. 726 is also rounded down to 700. 24 is also rounded down to 20. Both the numbers are rounded down. Now we have to divide it. Use the long division method. 726 divided by 24. That means it will be 700 divided by 20. Right? It will become like this. 726 in place of 726, 700 I have written, and in place of 24, 20. Use the long division method. 20 and 20 is a divisor, 700 is a dividend. Okay? Yes. Now I have taught you one method, right? Same method you use. Here 20 is there. Can we use one digit? 7 becomes less. We cannot use. If we take 2 digits, it will be 70. It is more than 20. We can take. So 70. If we take 20, how much was 70? It may be difficult. So consider only one number, 7. Here also you consider only one number, 2. 2, how much is the 7? There is no 7 and 2 ones are table, right? 2 3s are 6. 2 4s are 8, we cannot take. Right? 8 is more than 7. So 2 3s are 6. 23s are how much? 23s are 60. Right? 2 3s are 6. 23s are 60. Right? 4s are we cannot take. So it is 23s are 60. Next step, subtraction. 0 minus 0, 0. 7 minus 1, 7 minus 6, 1. Or 70 minus 60 is 10. After subtraction, bring one number down. What is that? It is 100. Right? 20 how much are 100? 20 5s are 100. Right? Or if you cannot recognize so fast, again you can consider here 2 digit and here 1 digit. 1 digit you cannot consider here. 1 you cannot take because 1 is less than 2. Take 2 digit. 10, 10. It will become 10. 10 is more than 2. 2 how much are 10? 2 5s are 10. We can take. So 20 5s are how much it will be? 5 2s are 10 and 1 0. Okay? 5 2s are 10 and 1 0. So it is 20 5s are 100. Next step, subtraction. So 100 minus 100, 0. Right? Is there any number to bring down? No. So we can stop. So this is the answer. Okay? So in this way we can estimate the numbers. Okay, I hope you have understood how to estimate the number. Only difference is estimation is same, but one change is that in addition and subtraction, for the smallest place value, both the numbers we have to estimate. In multiplication and division, to its maximum place, we have to estimate the number. Okay? Thank you.